getting the tea ready. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com. And like always, there's a procedure you go through to do the tea. And we got water getting hot.
还有泡茶泡得起吗？倒油来。好。
And there was a problem. I think we're going to put you on pause and see what happens. Okay. We're waiting for the water, but they got us. That was the water we were waiting for, but they went on and got us hot. So that was the tea in there. You see, she dumps that out. And you see, the tea does not soak. I mean, you don't soak your tea in water. She poured the hot water on the tea. Right there. And she needs more practice. You see, you go like that. That's thank you.
Thank you.
And you see, she's pouring the tea off. I don't think she's going to soak it. No, she didn't. And that's, you see, the first thing, you notice the other places we were at, this was built into the table, on the end of the table. Or they had a separate thing with that. And so, this one here is set up on this thing. I've seen these. This one's made of wood, and you see there's drains are in there, and they have them out of glass, porcelain, that type of stuff. And but like I say, that's now see, there's only the two of us, so that's what I have. But it's set up for four right here, and there's a procedure, like I say, when you do this. Now, the way I understand now, I want to take my tea and I'll set my tea in front of me. What's going to happen is a good host, when they see my tea is gone, they will pour me right there. Yeah, they'll pour me some more tea. So, and you do your conversation. Now, and this is the sign when you do. Remember, we talked about doing business when you're doing your tea. So you want a good host will keep your tea ready for you, and also you'll be able to get probably at least 10 or 12 dumps of water. You put hot water on there 10 or 12 times, and you'll still get some good tea. If they're using good quality tea. If they're using cheap tea, you're only going to get 4, 6, or maybe 8 pours, and you don't want to do business with people going to use cheap tea with you. So, and you want to make sure you do business with somebody that does good host that pours your tea properly. Like I say, she's still kind of new at it with me, so she's still learning. But anyway, that's the way you're supposed to be doing this stuff. And there, you see now our water's boiling now. See, now the water's boiling. Now that's normally the time when they sterilize all your utensils, your cups and stuff like that is done with the boiling water. So, but anyway, we cheated. We used the other water. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. This is Mike, NoStressMike.com.